In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business account to an individual account in Google Adsense. Navigating Google Adsense can sometimes be intimidating, especially when you need to make specific changes to your account. But don't worry, this guide is designed to make this process smooth and straightforward. So let's dive in. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Adsense website. You'll want to ensure you're on the official site, so type in Google AdSense in your search bar or follow the link to google.com/adsense/start. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and log in using your Google credentials. Make sure you are signed into the account that you wish to modify. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage. This is your control center where you can monitor your earnings, manage your ads, and of course update your account settings. Now let's focus on what we need to update. On the top menu, you'll see several options. Look for payments and give it a click. This will direct you to the payment section of your account. In the payment section, you should see another option labeled Payments Info. Select this to look more closely at your existing payment details. Next, you'll want to find the Manage Settings button. Google likes to keep things organized, so this is where you can tweak any specific account and payment settings you need to change. Scroll through your settings until you find Account Type. This is the critical area where you will make your change. Currently, it should display Business if you're following this guide to switch to an individual account. Click on this section. You may be prompted to confirm your choice or provide additional information to complete this change. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once you've updated your account type to individual, it's crucial to review your changes to ensure everything is accurate. Double check your personal information and make sure that any linked payment methods are correctly set up to reflect this change. Now, with any modifications made online, I suggest keeping a record. A quick screen capture or note saved to your files might come in handy should you ever require proof of this transition or need to refer back to it later. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've navigated through Google AdSense and successfully changed your account type from business to individual. This small change can have significant implications on how you process payments and manage your ad revenue, so well done for tackling it head on. As always, if you run into issues or require further assistance, refer back to Google's support pages or drop a message below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care.